Lot for that. Well, Kabel, that's the stock on our radar as well. Their 1,964 crore issue opens today for subscription. Now, out of the total quantum, 180 crores is the fresh issue, while around 1,800 crores is the offer for sale. You have Surabhi who joins us to fill us in with a quick analysis on this one. Surabhi?
Thanks so much for that. So, as you said, the issue opens today. The price band is set between 983 to 1,035 rupees per share, which makes it an implied market cap of 11,670 odd crores on the upper end of the price band. Now, 1,784 crores is the offer for sale and 180 crores is the fresh issue. Out of the 180 crores of the fresh issue, 136 crores is used to fund the to reduce the debt of the company. Now, post the IPO, TPG holding will reduce to 5% from 17% currently, and the promoter holding will reduce to 63% from 66% currently. Now, a little bit about the company. It's largely a wires and a cables company with a presence in the FMEG space as well. They have 7% market share in the wires and cables industry. 89% of their revenues comes from wires and cables, and out of that, 70% comes from the wires segment and 30% from the cable segment. 11% of their revenues comes from the FMEG segment. Their highest contribution is coming from the B2C segment, which is 74% of the total revenues. Now, that is a little different from the other listed competitors, where most of them are present in B2B and B2G space. Now, if you look at the financials, the revenue growth trajectory has been pretty strong. For FY23, they did 5,600 crores of revenue with a EBITDA margin of 5.8% and a PAT margin of 3.4%. Over the last 3 years, they've compounded their revenues at 31% growth rate. EBITDA has grown at 16% growth rate, and so has PAT has grown at 16%. When you compare it with the peers, it is a little short on the margin front. RR Cable functions at 6% margins, whereas peers like Polycab, Finolex are at 13% and 7% margin respectively. So on the valuation front as well, RR Cable is valued at FY24 PE of 54 times, very close to Polycab's FY24 PE of 47 times. So slightly expensive, I would say. Polycab is more on the cable side and RR Cable is more on the wire side.
Okay, all right, Surabhi, thanks very much for that. So that's a